The F-16 fighter jet, also known as the Fighting Falcon, is a multi-role aircraft that is widely used by many countries around the world. It is a single-engine, supersonic aircraft designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The F-16 was developed by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin in the United States, and first flew in 1974. Since then, it has become one of the most successful and widely used fighter jets in history. The F-16 is known for its agility, speed, and versatility. It has a top speed of over Mach 2 and can operate at high altitudes. Its design features a delta wing and canard configuration, which provide excellent maneuverability and allow it to excel in dogfights. The F-16 is armed with a wide range of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface missiles, and bombs, making it capable of engaging targets in various types of combat scenarios. Some of its notable features include exceptional maneuverability, thanks to its high-performance engines and aerodynamic design, which enable it to perform tight turns, high angles of attack, and rapid acceleration and deceleration. The F-16 is also equipped with advanced avionics, including a modern cockpit with multifunction displays for efficient monitoring and control of various systems, as well as a sophisticated radar system for air-to-air and air-to-ground targeting. With its diverse weapon capabilities, the F-16 can carry a wide range of missiles, bombs, and rockets, making it a formidable platform for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Its multi-role capabilities allow it to excel in roles such as air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance, making it adaptable to different mission requirements. The F-16 is also capable of supersonic speeds, allowing it to quickly reach its target area and respond to dynamic combat situations. The F-16, also known as the Fighting Falcon, is a multi-role fighter aircraft originally developed by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin, for the United States Air Force. Over the years, several variants of the F-16 have been developed to meet the needs of various countries around the world. Some of the notable variants of the F-16 include F-16A. This was the original production version of the F-16 and was introduced into service with the U.S. Air Force in 1979. It was a single-seat, single-engine aircraft with a basic air-to-air and air-to-ground capability. F-16B. This variant was a two-seat training version of the F-16A, allowing for a pilot and an instructor to operate together for training purposes. F-16C. This variant, introduced in the 1980s, featured improved avionics and radar systems, as well as upgraded engines. It also had enhanced air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. F-16D. Similar to the F-16B, this variant was a two-seat training version of the F-16C, used for pilot and instructor training. F-16 ISAF. This variant was developed specifically for the Israeli Air Force and featured advanced avionics, sensors, and weapons systems. It also had extended range capabilities and could carry additional fuel tanks. F-16EF Block 60. This variant was developed for the United Arab Emirates and featured advanced avionics, radar systems, and weapons. It also had increased fuel capacity and improved engines. F-16V. This is the latest variant of the F-16, featuring advanced avionics and radar systems, as well as improved sensors and weapons capabilities. It includes upgrades to the cockpit, communication systems, and electronic warfare systems. These are just a few examples of the many variants of the F-16 that have been developed and used by different countries around the world. Each variant may have specific features and capabilities tailored to the requirements of the country and mission it serves. The F-16 continues to be upgraded and modernized to meet the evolving needs of modern warfare. Some countries are also considering replacing their older F-16s with newer, more advanced fighter aircraft in the future. However, the F-16 is expected to remain in service with many countries for the foreseeable future, due to its proven capabilities and adaptability. The F-16, like any other aircraft, has certain limitations that are worth noting. The F-16 has a limited range, which may require aerial refueling for extended missions or operations far from base. This can impact its ability to operate in certain regions or engage in long-range missions without additional support. While the F-16 has a significant payload capacity for carrying weapons, fuel, and other equipment, it may have limitations in carrying heavy or large payloads compared to larger fighter aircraft. This can impact its ability to carry certain types of munitions or equipment. The F-16 is not specifically designed as a stealth aircraft, which means it may be more vulnerable to detection by modern radar systems. This can limit its ability to operate in heavily defended areas or engage in stealthy missions, where avoiding detection is critical. While the F-16 has advanced avionics and sensor capabilities, they may not be on par with the latest and most advanced fighter aircraft. This can limit its ability to detect and engage targets in certain situations, or against technologically superior adversaries. Despite these limitations, the F-16 remains a highly capable and widely used fighter aircraft around the world, with ongoing upgrades and modifications to address some of these limitations and ensure its continued effectiveness in modern combat scenarios.